Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add admin team member on rocket.net website. So for you to be able to do that, you have to go to the rocket.net and sign in into your account. So from the dashboard, click on the WordPress site you want to add a team member to. So in the left side menu or top navigation bar, select or click team or team management or team member. So from there you have to add team member. To start inviting a new user, type in the person's name and email address, then assign a role. So choose appropriate role, for example admin for full access, developer for technical access, billing for payment management, read only for limiting view access. So once you're done with that, send the invitation. So click invite or add member, then the team member will receive an email to join your rocket.net account, and that's how you can easily add admin or team member to your rocket.net website. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.